Good morning, students. Welcome back to the session. In the previous session, we discussed about mean and mode of group data. Now you are going to learn median of group data. In class 9, you learned how to calculate median of ungrouped data. First, you have to arrange all the data in ascending order, and then you have to pick the middlemost one to find the median. Suppose there are odd number of data, then you will get exact middle data. But when the data are in even number, then you have to take two middlemost data and find the average of that, which is the median of ungrouped data. But today you are going to learn median of group data. Median of group data. The median is the value of the data in the middle position of the set when the data is arranged in numerical order. Median is the value of the data in the middlemost position of the set when the data is arranged in numerical order. Now, when the group data is given, then at first what we have to do is, we have to prepare a cumulative frequency table. You need to prepare cumulative frequency table. Then you have to find the cumulative frequencies of all the classes. At first you need to draw cumulative frequency table. Next step, you need to find all the cumulative frequencies. And in the third step, you have to find n by 2. What is n? N is the total number of frequencies. Why we are finding n by 2? To locate the median class. So find n by 2. Using n by 2, we can locate the median class. After locating median class, we have to note down the lower limit of the median class, the frequency of the median class, and the cumulative frequency of the preceding class. So all these steps are very important to find the median of group data. At first, prepare frequency table. Second step, find cumulative frequencies for all the class intervals. Third step, find n by 2. N is total number of frequencies. So, total of frequencies. So, n by 2 you need to find. Using n by 2, you need to locate the median class. Once we get the median class, note down what is the lower limit of the median class, frequency of the median class, and cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Then you have to use formula to find median. That is, median equals to L plus n by 2 minus Cn upon M into H. What is this N? N is the lower limit of the median class. N, total number of frequencies. Cn, cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Then F is the frequency of the median class and H is the class size or class weight. Using this formula, we can find out median of group data. Once again, we will repeat. The steps to be followed are: first one, draw cumulative frequency table. So where you have to draw three columns. First column is for class intervals. Second column is for respective frequencies. And the third column is for cumulative frequencies. Then you need to find the cumulative frequencies for each class. Then third step, find n by 2. So total frequency divide by 2. Why we are finding n by 2? To locate the median class. After finding n by 2, we need to locate the median class. So once we find that median class, note down what is the lower limit of the median class, what is the frequency of the median class, and the cumulative frequency of the preceding class and class width. Then write formula median equals to L plus n by 2 minus F upon F into H. Then substitute the given data in this formula and find median. Now let us take some examples for better understanding. Example 1. Now in this example, weekly income of 600 families is tabulated below. Compute the median income. You have to compute the median income. It means you need to find the median of this group data. Now, first column weekly income is given in the form of class intervals and respective frequency is given here, that is number of families. 0 to 1000, 250 families, 1000 to 200, 2000, 190 families, 2000 to 300, 3000, 100 families, 3000 to 4000, 40 families, 4000 to 5000, 15 families, 5000 to 6000, 5 families. Now see here 0 to 1000 to 50 families, 1000 to 2000, 190 families, 2000 to 3000, 100 families, 3000 to 4000, 40 families, 4000 to 5000, 15 families, then 5000 to 6000, 5 families. So total how many families? 600. So total 600 families. Now you need to find median income. Now at first, what we have to do? We have to draw table neatly and make 3 columns. First column is for class interval, second column is for frequency, and the third column is for cumulative frequency. Now, frequency of the first class interval is 250. Then, next frequency, cumulative frequency is 250 plus 190. So 250 plus 190, which is 440. Next frequency is 440 plus 100. So like this you need to find cumulative frequencies for all the class intervals. So 450 plus 100, 540. Then 540 plus 40, 580. Then 580 plus 50, 595. Then 595 plus 5, which is 600. Now here total frequency is given 600. Here also we got 600. Total frequency 600. It means that 0 to 100, 1000, only 250 observations are there. Then 1000 to 2000, 440 observation. Now see here, these are all the number of observations. In the next step, what we have to find? N by 2. So n is 600 given. So what is n by 2? 600 by 2. 600 by 2 is 300. So 300. So 300. So 300 observation is in which class you need to find. So here 250 observations are there. The next class 440 observations are there. That means 300 observation is in the class 1000 to 2000. So this is the median class. So median class is 1000 to 2000. The frequency of the median class is 190 and the cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 250 and class size is 1000. Now using formula we can find out median. Now, so n by 2 is 300. So this observation is in the class interval 1000 to 2000. So this 300 observation is in the class 1000 to 2000. So that median class is 1000 to 2000. Then lower limit of the median class is 1000 and cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 250 and frequency of the class is 190 and class size 1000. Now use formula median equals to L plus n by 2 minus F upon F into H. So lower limit is 1000, lower limit of the median class which is 1000, n by 2 is 300, cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 250, frequency of this median class is 190 into 1000. Simplify 1000 plus 300 minus 250 which is 50 by 190 into 1000. 0 cancel. 15,000. Now see here, sorry, 50. So 300 minus 250 is 50. So 50 by 190 into 1000. So 0 cancel. So 1000 plus 5000 by 90. 1000 plus 5000 by 90. So 5000. See here. 5000 by 90 is how much? Calculate. 5000 by 90. So 90 to the 38. 120. Then 19 6 140. Then 10 minus 4 is 6. 0. Then take 60. So 19 3s are 57. 3 0. Then 19 1s are 90. 11. Then 110 divide. So which is 5. 19 5s are 95. So like this. So we get here 1000 plus 263.15. 1000 plus 263.5. Therefore, median equals to 1263.15. So therefore, the median income is 1263.15. At first, what we have to do? First, draw tabular columns neatly. That is called cumulative frequency table. In that first column, you have to make entries of class intervals. Second column, frequencies. And the third column is for cumulative frequency. Now, this class interval and frequency will be given. So, you need to find the cumulative frequency of the respective classes by adding the frequencies. So first frequency as usual, and the second frequency will be the second cumulative frequency is the sum of the first frequency and the second frequency. And third cumulative frequency is sum of the first two frequencies with the third frequency. So like this you have to find the cumulative frequencies for all the classes. Then in the next step you need to find n by 2. That is total frequency by 2. Here it is 600 total. So by 2 is 300. Then this 300 observation is in which class you need to find. That is here 300 observation. 300 observation is in the class 1000 to 2000. Here up to only 250 observations are there. So 300 observation falls under this class interval. Therefore, the median class is 1000 to 2000. So median class is 1000 to 2000. Once you get the median class, you can write its lower limit, then frequency, then cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Then class size is upper limit minus lower limit. So using all these data, you can find the median income of this of their families. I hope you understood this. Second example, the median of the data is 50. Median is given as 50. Find the value of P and Q in the sum of all the frequencies is 90. Now, see here, marks is given and also their frequency is given. In that, P and Q, you need to calculate. So, the median of the data is 50. Median is given as 50. Then, find the value of P and Q. You need to find the values of P and Q. That is the missing frequencies here. Then if the sum of all the frequencies is 90. So total of these frequencies, that is P plus 50 plus 25 plus 20 plus Q plus 8 plus 10 is 90. Sum of the frequencies is 90. So using these two data, we need to find the value of missing frequencies, that is P and Q. Okay. At first, what we have to do? We need to draw table neatly. In the first column, we have to make the entries of class intervals, and the second column frequencies. So class intervals are given as 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. So these are the class intervals given. Now note down all the frequencies. That is, first one is given as P, then 15, then 25, then 20, Q, 8, 10. In that, P and Q are missing. Now you need to find the cumulative frequency. So first cumulative frequency you have to write as is. Then next frequency is P plus 15. So 15 plus P. Next one is 15 plus 25. That is 40 plus P. Right? Next one is 40 plus 20, 60 plus P. The next cumulative frequency is 60 plus P plus Q. The next cumulative frequency is 60 plus 8. 68 plus P plus Q. The last cumulative frequency is 68 plus 10, 78 plus P plus Q. Now, in the question itself, it is given total frequency. So it is given that total frequency given as 90. Now what is the total frequency here? 78 plus P plus Q, which gives total 90. And also given that median is 50. Now here it is not necessary to locate the median class because median is given 50. See here, median is 50. So this 50 will be in the which class interval? So see here 20 to 30. So 50 will not come in between 20 and 30. Even in 30, 40 also you will not get 50. And 40 to 50 also we won't get median 50 because here in these classes upper limit is not counted in that particular class. So here 30 will be counted in the next class, 40 will be counted in this class, 50 will be counted in the next class. So that this median 50 will be in the class interval 50 to 60. So that the median class is 50 to 60. So the lower limit of the class is 50 and frequency of the median class is 20. Then, so this is the median class. So cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 40 plus P and class size is 10. 30 minus 20, 10. So using formula median equals to L plus. L is what here? Lower limit of the median class into plus n by 2. N by 2. See here? N. What is N here? N by 2. Total frequency is 50. So that total frequency is given as 90. So what is n by 2? N by 2 is 90 by 2. 90 by 2 is 45. So median is 50. Median is 50. Total frequency is 90. N is 90. So what is n by 2? N by 2 is 90 by 2, which is 45. Minus. Then cumulative frequency, that is 40 plus P divided by frequency. So frequency is 20 into 10. Class size 0, 0 cancel. Now you need to find median. So median is 50 plus 45 minus 40, minus into plus is minus, then minus into plus is minus P divided by 2. So which is 50 plus 45 minus 40 is 5 minus P by 2. And the median is given as 50. So 50 cancelled. So 50 minus 50, 0, 5 minus P by 2. So that 2 into 0 is 0, 5 minus P equals to 0. So P equals to 5. So P value is 5. When P value is 5, then what about Q value? What about Q? You need to find Q. See here, 78 plus P plus Q, that is total observations is 90. So, when P is 5, then 78 plus 5 plus Q equals to 90. 78 plus 5 plus Q is 90. So Q equals to 90 minus 78 minus 5. So 90 minus 78 minus 5. So which is 7. It is 90 minus 83. 7. So Q value is 7. So first what we have to do? First make cumulative frequency table. In that first column, make the entries of class intervals and second column frequencies. And third column, you need to find the respective cumulative frequencies by adding their frequencies. Okay. After finding this, you have to locate the median class. Here we are not finding n by 2 because already median is given in the question. So median is given as 50. So that 50th value is in this one, in this class interval. Why? Because here 40 to 50. So this 50 we will not consider in this class. So this upper limit is counted in the next class. Therefore, the median class is 50 to 60. So when this is the median class, then the lower limit is 50 and frequency of the median class is 20 and the cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 40 plus p. So using all these data, you can find median. Median equals to L plus N by 2 minus F upon F into H. So using this formula, we can find P. Once we get the P, then after that, easily you will find Q using, see here, 78 plus P plus Q. That is sum of all the observation which is given as 90. It means 78 plus P plus Q is 90. So substitute P as 5, then you will get Q equals to 7. So like this, you need to find P and Q values.